Hello there, welcome to Platinum Trading Systems. Today we're going to be discussing the long-term trading strategy. So what we like to do here at Platinum Trading Systems is to actively analyze the markets for you on a daily basis to bring to your table trades that you can place in the market for the longer term. Now this strategy here is absolutely perfect for absolutely all types of trader, whether you're very experienced, whether you've got little experience in the market. What this is going to allow you to do is actually place pending orders into the market, and everything is going to be sent to you prior to the time. So for example, if we send you a trade on a Monday morning, this trade that you actually put into the market, it may not actually become active until, let's say, Wednesday afternoon. But the great thing about having this knowledge about where the market's going to be going is that it allows you to take a vast amount of pips out of the market. Now, just for example, for the last 6 months of 2014, we've sent out a total of 46 trades to our clients. We've had a net return of 3,145 pips. Think about that, guys. Trading at £10 a point, 3,145 pips is the equivalent of nearly £31,500. Now, this is going to be a serious weapon to have in the arsenal. So like I say, one of the main focus points here at Platinum Trading Systems is to bring you this information and tell you what's going to happen in the market, but prior to the event. Again, you're not having to search out trades for yourself. We will help you do this. And when you have the ability, like we do, to foresee future price movements, you can see that this trading strategy here, extracting large profits and large amounts of pips from the market with a small amount of trades, again, is a very, very great weapon to have in the arsenal. So like I say, this strategy here, perfect for absolutely anybody. If you've got lots of experience, if you haven't got a lot of experience, every single trade comes with instructions for entry points, for stop loss levels, and for total pip targets. So what are we going to be looking at here? Well, let's just look, for example, this email was sent out there on the 11th of August of 2014, and we basically said with this trade here we want to be selling the pound or cable versus the dollar as close to 168.30 as possible with a dead stop of 168.60. Now we achieved that entry price there of 168.30. We actually closed that trade out there at 167.00, a total of 130 pips for a 30 pip stop. An absolutely great risk trade there. As we go down here, let's just have another look. We have the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar gave us the biggest pips total over the shortest amount of time in the last 6 months. So as we said here, as you can see, look, there's lots of information on this chart here, but what we've basically said is, look, since April of this year, the Aussie dollar has been undergoing a period of distribution and is now in its final stages of completing a 6-month head and shoulders reversal formation. Such a structure is also complemented by a standard distribution pattern, and that distribution happens at the top of the range. Resistance now lies around about 9,300 to 9,315 as the Aussie dollar prepares for the inevitable test and break of the key 92.40 chart support level to complete this reversal structure, yielding a swift sell-off to the 9200 and 91.40 levels en route to the mid 8900s over the coming week. This is now the final run in my opinion, and we will see a nice 200 pip move in the Aussie dollar. Keep an eye open for the 92.40 level, then we take the trade. So as soon as that level was broken, what did we do? Well, we shorted the Aussie dollar, and as you can see there, we took 240 pips from one trade by risking 35 pips. So like I say, having this strategy there, it's invaluable for you moving forward, for going forward. Just imagine, guys, 46 trades, £31,500. So what we want to show you is our long-term analysis. We will put up there with absolutely anybody, and anybody can use this strategy. It's very, very easy to implement. So thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed that, and just be thinking of how much money we can be making going forward, guys, because if we've made 3,000 pips in 6 months, what are we going to make in 12? Thanks ever so much.